Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to remove this panel we're actually looking at from the Honda FRV automatic from 2007 1.8 iVautic. So what we are going to do is, well, some people are thinking that this is hard to do, but it's actually very easy. And the purpose of doing this for myself is change the bulb from the hazard lights button switch because it's not lighting. So what I need to do, I need to remove it and take it out, change the bulb and push it back again, put everything back together. So what we are going to do, I show you we will take that out within a few minutes. Okay, first thing what we need to do is remove these. So how you're gonna do that is just pull it out gently, it will go out. There you have clippers which are metal, and they are just sliding in and then sliding out from the panel. So now we have that just removed and there is a hole there. Now next thing what you do is, whatever, you can use a knife or something, just gently take these plastics, start taking off. Okay, once you have it, you just pull it out gently and then you pull out everything. You can feel that it's going to break, but believe me, it will not. So you need to just pull it gently and nicely, but pull it out. Right, I show you that here is also, so I show you that this is also moving. Just let me fit that phone in. Wait. Okay, as you can see, there you go. As I said, you can feel that it's going to break, but it's not. So there, and the other side as well. You just push it out gently and nicely, so you're not breaking anything actually. There you go. And now we have it out. I have that loose. So next thing what we need to do is disconnect the cables which are underneath there. So there is one. You need to squeeze the plastic in there and then pull out. Squeeze and pull. There you go. So one is out and the other one. There you go. Both of them are out. This cable out from the switch button first. There is also the squeeze and pull out. There you go. And now go that way. And now we have that removed, and what we need to do is take that screw out, this screw out, and then you have the hazard light switch taken off, and there is a bulb. Okay, so what you do, having this little switch button, you squeeze here, these two, and then you push it out the rest of the plastic. Now there As you can see, the blue plastic is a bulb, I believe. Let's try to take it out. I will help myself with this. Jesus. That's the bulb. It looks like that. There is a rubber shield on it, a red color, but it's very tiny little bulb.